Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we're going to find the median. The median is the middle value in a set of data. To find the median, you first have to put the data in order from least to greatest. If your data set contains an odd number of data, the median is the value that's in the middle. If your data set consists of an even number of data, the median is the average of the two values that are in the middle. Let's take a look at our examples. To find the median, I have to start by putting my data in order from least to greatest. So my least value here is the 6, and I'm going to check the numbers off as I go. With a smaller set of data, you may not need to check the numbers off, but it's good to be in that habit so you don't accidentally miss something. So we have the 6, then the 9, then 14, 15, 18, 20, and 22. Now that I have my data in order from least to greatest, I need to look for the value that's in the middle. So if I start on the left, I have the 6 and I can cross it off along with the 22 on the right, and I'm going to work my way into the center. So then I have the 9 and 20, the 14 and 18. That leaves me with the 15 that's in the middle. The median is my data value that's in the middle, so 15 is my median. A student's test scores are listed below. What was their median score? To find the median score, I first have to list my data in order from least to greatest. So 78 is the least, then 80, 86, 89, 92, and 94. Now that I have the values in order from least to greatest, I need to find the value that's in the middle. So I'll cross the 78 off on the left and the 94 off on the right, and I'll work my way to the center. So next is the 80 and 92. And I have two values in the center this time, two values in the middle. So to find the median, I need to take the average of these two values. So to take the average, I'm going to need to add 86 and 89. So 6 plus 9 is 15. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 more is 17. And then I'll divide by 2. So 175 divided by 2 will give me the average. 17 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. When I subtract, I get 1. I'll bring down the 5. Now I have 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. When I subtract, I get 1. Then I'll need to add a decimal and a 0. I'll bring the decimal straight up into my answer, and I'll bring the 0 down. I'll have 10 divided by 2 next. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. When I subtract, I get 0. So my median score is 87 and 5/10. The daily high temperature was recorded for the last 6 days. What was the median? So to find the median, I first have to put my data in order from least to greatest. So my least value here was 16, then 23, 25. I have two 25s, so I'll put the second one there, then 34, and 46. And to find the median, I need the value that's in the middle. So I'm going to start on the left by marking out the 16 and the 46 on the right and work my way to the center. So then next is the 23 and 34, and I have two values in the middle. Both values are 25, so I don't need to take the average here since both of the values are the same. So my median is 25. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.